In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shake and glitch tutorial on Capcut. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to add energetic shake and glitch effects to your footage for a punchy, modern look. Start by opening Capcut on your device. If you're on desktop, open the editor. On mobile, launch the app. Give it a moment to load your workspace so all the tools are available. Next, add your video. Create a new project and choose the clip you want to edit from your device. Once it's on the timeline, scrub through to find the moments that could use extra impact. Think beats, transitions, or action moments. You don't have to cut anything yet, but it helps to know where you want the effects to show up. Now, click on Effects. You'll see categories like video effects and sometimes body effects. We'll focus on video effects since they apply to the whole frame. If there's a search bar, use it to move quickly. Type shake and choose a shake effect that matches your style. Some shakes are subtle with a gentle camera jitter, others are more intense with rapid motion and blur. Apply the effect to the clip or drag it onto the effects track above the timeline. Adjust the duration so it covers only the moments you want. Short bursts often look cleaner and more intentional. Open the effects settings to fine-tune intensity, speed, and motion blur. A lower intensity works well for a cinematic vibe, while higher settings are great for music hits or dramatic reveals. If the frame edges appear, consider dialing back the strength to avoid distracting black borders. Next, type glitch and choose a glitch effect. Glitches can add digital distortion, color splitting, or quick stutters. Apply it where you want emphasis, and again, keep the duration short for a crisp, professional feel. In the settings, tweak parameters like distortion amount, color separation, and frequency. You can place glitch right after or overlapping with shake for a layered punch, but use moderation to keep the footage readable. Syncing these bursts to beat drops or scene changes adds extra polish. Finally, preview the video. Hit play and watch how the shake and glitch land in context. If anything feels too strong, reduce intensity or shorten the effect. If it's too subtle, nudge it up slightly. Aim for impact without overwhelming the viewer. Once you're happy with the timing and look, you're done. Clean, energetic, and ready for creative use in your project. Thanks for following along, and enjoy crafting those shake and glitch moments in Capcut.